Welcome to this tutorial on queries in MS Access, an important part of our retail shop application series. By now, we have created essential tables for our application. These are customers, products, suppliers, sales, purchase, inventory. Now it's time to learn how to extract meaningful information from these tables using queries. A query is a powerful object in MS Access that allows you to retrieve specific data from one or more tables, filter records based on conditions, perform calculations or summarizations, update or delete data, create new tables from existing data. In simple terms, queries are questions you ask your database, and Access gives you the answers. Let's go through the most commonly used types of queries, which we'll use in our retail shop application. First one is select query. This is the most common type of query. This is used to retrieve data based on specific criteria. For example, show all sales made by a particular customer, or products that are low in stock. Next is parameter query. This query prompts the user to enter input before running. For example, ask the user to enter a date and show all purchases made on that date. Cross-tab query summarizes data in a tabular, pivot table-like format. For example, show total sales per product per month. Next one is action queries. These are used to modify data, not just view it. There are four types of action queries. Update query, to change existing data. For example, increase price of all products by 10%. Append query, to add records to another table. For example, move expired inventory to a backup table. Delete query, to delete records. For example, remove all sales records older than 5 years. Make table query, to create a new table from query results. For example, create a report-ready table of top 10 customers. Last is SQL query. Advanced users can directly write SQL, structured query language, code. It offers more control and flexibility than design view. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use the select query in MS Access. This is one of the most essential tools for retrieving specific data from your tables. We'll use the product table to demonstrate how to extract meaningful information using the query design interface. Step 1. Creating a basic select query. Go to the Create tab and click on Query Design. In the Show Table dialog that appears, double-click on the product table to add it to the query window. Then click Close. Before generating the query, let's briefly review the structure of the product table. It typically contains fields such as product ID, product name, description, category ID. Suppose we want to display only the following fields: product ID, product name, category. In the lower pane, known as the design grid, begin selecting fields. You can do this by either double-clicking on each field name in the table above, or dragging and dropping them into the grid below. The selected fields will appear in the field row of the design grid. Click the Run button to view the results. Step 2. Applying a filter. Now, let's filter the records to show only the products where the product name is T. Switch back to Design View. In the Criteria row under the Product Name column, type T. Click Run again. This filter will now display only those products whose name is T. Step 3. Sorting results. To sort the results by product ID in ascending order. In the Sort row under the Product ID column, select Ascending from the drop-down. To sort in descending order, simply select Descending instead. Save the query with a meaningful name, such as QRY Products with T. Select query across multiple tables. Let's move to a more advanced example. It is generating a select query that pulls data from multiple related tables. We want to retrieve sales information, including customer name, sale date, total amount, product name, quantity sold, sale price, subtotal. To achieve this, we'll use the following 4 tables: customers, sales, sales details, products. Follow these steps. Open Query Design and add all 4 tables. You'll see that the tables are already related. These relationships were established in Tutorial 3. Select the following fields. From Customers table, Customer ID, Customer name. From Sales table, Sale date, total amount. From Sales Details table, Product ID, quantity sold, sale price, subtotal. From Products table, Product name. Click Run to view the combined sales data. Adding a filter. To display only records for a specific customer, for example, Customer ID 75. In the criteria row under the Customer ID column, type 75. Click Run. The query will now show sales only for Customer ID 75. Save the query with a clear name such as QRY Sales Info. Next, let's make this query dynamic using a parameter query. A parameter query allows users to filter data interactively, reuse the same query for different inputs, avoid hard-coding criteria. This is especially useful when building dynamic reports for your retail shop application. Steps to create a parameter query. Suppose we want to retrieve the same sales data as earlier, but we want the system to prompt the user to enter the customer ID each time the query runs. Open Query Design and add the following tables: customers, sales, sales details, products. Select the same fields as before. From Customers table, Customer ID, Customer name. From Sales table, Sale date, total amount. From Sales Details table, Product ID, quantity sold, sale price, subtotal. From Products table, Product name. In the criteria row under the Customer ID field, type. Enter Customer ID. Make sure to use square brackets. Click Run. MS Access will now display a prompt asking, enter customer ID. Type a value such as 75 and press enter. The query will return all sales records associated with that customer. Save this query with a suitable name, such as QRY Sales by Customer ID. You can now use this query to dynamically fetch customer-specific sales data, just by entering the desired customer ID. This concludes our session on select queries and parameter queries in MS Access. These tools are essential for data extraction, reporting, and building interactive applications. In the next tutorial, we'll explore cross-tab queries, a powerful way to summarize your data in pivot table style. Stay tuned, and let's continue building our retail shop application together. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel and stay updated with more MS Access lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.